Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel, Happy Healthy Smiles. Please don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button. Thank you. So today we are talking about what's the best way to prevent sensitivity when you're whitening and have the best results. So number one is have a dental checkup. That's really important because if you have a broken tooth, a cracked tooth, or a broken filling or a cavity, or any disease, you want to have this looked after, because if you start using the hydrogen peroxide or any of those whitening gels and it gets into the internal part of the tooth, it can be super sensitive and be damaging. So make sure you do that. And also you want to have a good cleaning, because the cleaning will remove any tartar, any plaque. So the gel, the hydrogen peroxide or any product you're using sits on the enamel and not on the tartar and plaque, which is a waste, and it won't be effective. Another thing you must do before you whiten your teeth is brush and floss. So that's really important because you want to take the plaque off, any food or any staining. So you want to make sure you brush and floss. Now, after you brush and floss, wait 10 to 20 minutes before you use any whitening products. Really important to reduce sensitivity. Now, if your teeth are extra sensitive, wait 30 minutes just to be on the safe side. Wait 30 minutes and then use the whitening product. Also make sure you use a timer so you don't go over. That could cause sensitivity if you put it on too long, or you forget, or you get busy with something. I use a timer sometimes to remind myself. Another really important thing, a tip, is when you put the product in the mouth guard or the trays you're using for the whitening, that you don't overfill it, because if it gets on the gums, it can be very irritating, and if it stays for a long time, the worst case scenario is a chemical burn. So you want to make sure you put a small amount and then check if it fits properly. And if you somehow put too much, take a Q-tip and take it off the gums, or use a damp towel. Another really important tip is start using Sensodyne a week before using the whitening product, and use it during and after. You can use Sensodyne or any sensitive toothpaste to help prevent sensitivity. So that's really important. Another really good tip is avoid acidic drinks during this whitening process. So make sure you're not having too much colas, juices, red wine. Try to avoid them, coffee, tea during this process. Wait, if you really want the best results and less sensitivity, try to avoid these products, these acidic drinks, when you're doing the whitening process. Another tip is if it gets really sensitive, take a day off. It doesn't really harm the whitening process. What you can do is wait till your teeth feel a little bit better or less sensitive and do it the next day. I've done that myself and I still get great results. And another thing you can do is also avoid any foods that stain. Staining is a major problem during the whitening process. So you don't want to have blueberries, or you don't want to have strawberries during the whitening. Have it before you start, or when you finish, but during the whitening, try to avoid these foods. First of all, they stain and they tend to be acidic. So that causes sensitivity, and plus the staining, you won't get a good result. It's the same thing with smoking, vaping, or cannabis, the pot. So that, try to avoid during whitening. I hope these tips help, and make sure you also are talking with your dental professional before you choose the correct whitening process, so you have the best, the safest, effective, and healthiest results. Take care, good luck, and we'll see you soon. Bye.